Hi, this is Gail Bennett from RH Bennett and Sons Construction, LLC. I want to welcome you and thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're doing here in Maine. This is in Auburn, Maine. 2 houses we're building. This is our crew putting siding on. Windows just went in. We have heavy equipment here and dump trucks. When the ground is able to work, we'll be putting a driveway in. Siding is going up and the windows are in. Roof is on. We have worked all winter long in the lovely state of Maine. We like to stay focused in this area as there is a lot of opportunity here, and we are all from this home state. We do not like to go out of the state, so Maine is our pride and joy. So this house will be done probably within another week. Floors are in. Kitchen is in. Appliances will be in. Painting is being finished up. Flooring is in. The chandelier is in. This home we are building for a client that is out of Beijing, China. Both of these houses. This will be a lovely tea room. The staircase will be coming in within another week or so. It'll have French doors. We originally did this project and the house design stopped at this doorway, but we added a little bit more on and added on this extra bedroom and a bathroom. And we have upstairs. Stair treads will be going on shortly. And all the carpet and everything is down. As you can see, we have plastic down just to protect it. This is the master bedroom. Closet and the bathroom. We are in the finishing touches, as you can see. Gives you a little bit of an idea of what RH Bennett and Sons Construction, LLC is made of. Yes, you are right. We are building on a golf course. We are so thankful that you are taking the time to see our video. And we are very proud of our company. We've been in business since 2015, and we're growing stronger as each year goes on. Thank you again for your time.